Ever wonder how temperature can alter matter? Like, can I put all these big balloons in this not so big container? Crash course on matter. What is it? Well, if it takes up space, can be weighed, and has atoms, well, then it's matter. We find matter in 3 different states: solids, liquids, and gas. These states help us understand the world around us and how it works. In this experiment, we're going to see how a change in temperature can alter matter by taking these balloons and placing them all in this container. As you can see, I have a big canister of liquid nitrogen. You've probably also noticed that I'm putting on these very thick cryo gloves. This is because liquid nitrogen is dangerously cold, sitting at a temperature of negative 320 degrees Fahrenheit. So, we're going to carefully take our liquid nitrogen and place it into our container. All right, and now we're going to take our balloons and start placing them in. You'll notice that the balloon is going to start to deflate. This is because the change in temperature from the liquid nitrogen is causing that matter to lose volume. The balloon is going to get smaller and smaller. But wait a second, what if we took the balloon out of the liquid nitrogen? Now that drastic change in temperature is allowing the matter to increase in volume, allowing the balloon to re-inflate. Whoa! Wait a second, how many balloons do you guys think we can place inside of our liquid nitrogen? Let's find out. All right, and that is 10. So what I've just shown you is a great example of the ideal gas law. This is the law that helps us understand why tire pressure goes down when temperature goes down, or why coolant keeps our refrigerators nice and cold. This is everyday matter interacting with everyday environments. And understanding how the world works, well, that matters.